everybody, welcome back to Chief Made Radios. I'm going to do a quick little product overview on this BLACKFIRE PAC 505 portable power station. Now you can check out the radio. Here's the little manual on it and everything. Alright, this thing's fantastic. These things give you the option of taking something with you if you're going camping, if you're going to do whatever, just for your home. If your power goes out and you don't have gas option at your house, this thing is fantastic to help get you through some tough times or emergency situations. It's heavy, it weighs about 12 pounds. Okay, it's got your 12 volt over here where you can run your any kind of plug-in device that you want to run in. And so you can take this thing out in the woods, set up your little portable antenna and everything. You can turn it on. It'll show you the charge over here, 100%, how many hours you got left, and the output wattage wise. And when we plug this thing in, turn this, got it plugged in back here. I've got it just a radio sitting up here to demo. We turn this radio on. Okay, phone shows you running 3.7 watts on it with it just sitting there. Okay, so it'll power up your radio. You can hook up to it, run your antenna out, talk on your CB radio, ham radios. I use it for portable operations. When I take off MCOM type stuff, emergency communications, if I take my portable HF rig to 891 and set up out in the woods and set up my antennas and everything, and I can run my rig off of this thing if I need be, which I don't. Okay, I can turn that off. This will power off when I turn that off. All right, so you can do that. Of course, it's got the units of measurement you can change. Your display you can turn on and off. Information button that you can push and cycle through whatever you got going on here. You plug your phones up into this or any other kind of USB device. Your laptops. All right, you can power that on or off. USB-C connections up to 3 amps on this side. All right, that's 2.4 amps. Draw on the USB-A side. Then you've got your 120 out. Now you can take your charger with you to go camping or whatever. You're charging up we know how those HTs go when you plug in your HTs or anything like that. You can take your HT and put your charger on it. All right. Turn this on. You hear the fan kick on this thing. It says charging the HT. All right, so it's a very cool unit. All right, it does have the fan. You charge it into this input port right here. It's got a cable that you plug in there and plug in to charge it up. All right, and see, running on that HT, it tells me I can go 32.3 hours until empty off of that 0.1 watt charging this. You know, if you're at home, power goes out, like I said, you can plug a heater into this thing, a light and a heater, anything to help you, whatever you need. I take it camping. Excuse me, I take it camping and I can run this thing and I can plug a heater into this thing at night, a little buddy heater or something like that if it's cold out. You can plug a VCR into a DVD player. For those of you that don't know what a VCR is, DVD player, any kind of a little TV, VCR, you can be sitting in style. The price on these isn't bad. This is not the biggest one they make. They do make a bigger one, maybe a couple bigger, but this one here is all I needed. All right, it's 500 watts. This is the capability of this thing, or 1,000 peak watts, and that's for the power out. All right, it's 12 volt 10 amp on the DC output, 505 watt hours at 46.8 amp hours at 10.8 volts. So that'll go down as you sing 32 hours at what we were using it for, just charging this HT. It weighs 12 pounds, like I said. The life expectancy on this thing is about 500 cycles to 80% capacity, and it takes about 8 to 10 hours to fully charge it from empty. And you don't want to run it empty every time. You know, you don't want to run it empty. It says that somewhere else on here, but you don't want to run it all the way down on the full drain. But they're very cool, very much worth checking out if you've got the money to find one, because you can use this in an emergency, and that's priceless. If you've got this sitting around charged up, ready to go, your power goes out, plug something into it, not have to worry about it being cold out or you know, anything like that. It works fantastic. I like it. I just wanted to do a quick review on it and show how it worked and how it did. I've had no issues out of it whatsoever. It's simple to use. It's a fantastic piece of equipment. The BLACKFIRE PAC 505. Have a great day.